Okay.
Mm, in urhobo language, the first thing you do, you have to greet. Say mingwo.
Mingwo.
That is our greeting, you know.
Okay.
Morning, afternoon, evening. We don't have good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. All we have is mingwo.
Mingwo.
Manvo means how
How
are
are
you?
you? Okay.
How will you respond? You say omagae.
Oh my God.
What did I say?
Oh my God.
Uh-huh. You ask yare.
Yare means come.
That is come. How would they say go?
Mm.
Ya.
Yeah.
Not na.
Yeah.
Ya
Yeah.
means go.
Okay.
Kewe.
Kewe.
Non kewe. Non kewe. We.
Okay.
Non we. Kewe.
Keve.
Good. Give me. In Yoruba, no is ijo.
Ijo.
Ijo. Ijo. Many people they hear this name. Orenekere. That is God gift.
They used to give
God
children,
gift.
many children,
Mm,
organic.
mm. Orenekere, God gift. Ejiro.
Mm.
Many people they are here. Mama Ejiro, Papa Ejiro.
What's the meaning of Ejirus?
That Ejiro is praise. The full meaning is Ejiro Rene.
Okay. Praise be to God.
Praise God. Ejiro
Okay.
Rene. But many people leave the Rene. It will not be praised.
Okay.
Uh, and we now have today is when you are seeing somebody like in the evening or you will not see the person for that day again.
Mm.
You have to greet the person like
Good
goodbye till
night.
tomorrow or good night.
Uh,
So it all depends, you know.
okay.
It's somebody that you will not see for that day again, you know. Uh, you ask uh, if you have children, Amo means children.
Okay.
Amo.
Emo.
Once you put that A means plural.
Okay.
Amo. Omo means one child.
And in Yoruba also, Omo means child, the king.
Mm. So that is one part of the Urobo. And which other part? What do you want to know?
And like, okay, let's talk about culture, Yoruba culture.
Mm. In Urobo culture, you know, like Urobo, we have different culture in Urobo.
Okay.
Yeah, in Ugele, we have Ugele, they have culture. We have Agbara, they have culture. We
Okay.
have Isoko, but
Yeah.
Isoko is not Urobo. Isoko is Isoko, but I'm
So,
talking like the
the
Urobo.
boy.
Then we now have people like Okpe, they have their own culture. Then we now have those Saple,
Mm.
they have culture. You know, like different depend on the community, depend on the culture, but we are is one the same culture, but inside there is just a little different. But the dressing, the things they are the same, you know. Yeah. So that is one thing about the our Igbo culture, you know. It's a very unique one. And let's go back to Inurobo. Water is called Ame.
Water.
Ame.
Okay.
Kewame.
Kawame, bring water.
No kewe.
Kawame.
Kewe.
Kawame
Kewame.
means
Kewe means give. That's why I told you. Kewe. People have Ogene Kewe, God gift.
gift.
And that Kewe means give me.
Give me.
So you can use that Kewe for anything you want to.
Connect.
Kewame. Emu. Emu means food. Kewemu. So you can use that Kewe for different things. Tivo War. Where are you going?
Okay. Tivowa.
Tivo War.
Tivowa. Where
Where are
are you
you
going?
going? Mi Bishoshi.
I'm going to church.
You say me.
Me for church.
Mi Bishoshi. I'm going to show you. Say Mikbi. You will not add the place that you are going to. Mikbeki. Eki means market.
Okay.
Mikbeki.
Mickey.
I'm going to market.
Market.
Ah, Brigo were Amina. Brigo means how much.
Okay.
Brigo were Amina. How much for the water? Uh, they will respond. Amina Ekpaikwe. The water is 20 naira. Or
Ekpaikwe is 20 naira.
Ekpaikwe.
Okay.
But there is, I did not put the currency. Oh. I don't Ekpaikwe means 20.
20.
So it depends on the currency that
Currency.
you are in Nigeria. This 20 naira is $20. So that is that. We now still have like what? Osio. Osio
Osio.
means rain.
Okay.
Uvon. What did I say?
Uvo.
Uvon
Uvo.
means sun.
Sun. Okay. Osio. Miss
Osio
rain.
rain.
Uvo. Miss sun.
Sun. Osioro.
That is raining.
Osioro is raining. Uvunagayon.
Sun.
The sun is
Sun.
hot. The sun is hot. Maariemu. Maariemu. Come, let's eat. So this is where we stop today. So what will you tell them? To follow,
Okay.
subscribe to
Like.
this YouTube channel.
Yes.
Subscribe.
And comment.
Yeah, comment, like, and share, guys. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. What would you tell them?
Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share, please.
So we are telling you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You horrible man, we because why subscribe if you're a YouTube channel now? Why like it? Why comment it? Why the guy? Abaga no nyo ni horrible ba jurobo, e morrible ba jurobo. Bode mi ku bebu na morrible bebu na abebu ba jurobo. Ye to bo bi e bebu robo ti na dede na. Ago ba jurobo, e say I did the vini I did it. Ago ba jurobo. So ore urobo na ogwe we biko wada jurobo wa subscribe to YouTube channel na kugbe wa like it wa do igorobo bavo how is it as where to I don't even know no no that is good where to I think are you sure you want to stop the screen?